Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 6th at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first things first, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you're in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check, because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about some deals. First up, I do want to go over just a few random deals that are going on at Dollar General. These are really good deals and I want to make sure that you guys are aware of them. And we're going to start off with some exclusive coupons. Now I did upload a video earlier today talking about exclusive coupons and month-long savings at Dollar General. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check them out. But since then, we have also received some new exclusive coupons. We have a 6 off 2 for our Old Spice, $5.50 off 1 Downy or Tide Rinse and Refresh, and then we also have a $3.50 off 1 for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. So if you guys have these coupons, or if you have something different, please let me know about it down in the comment section below. Now up next, we're going to talk about instant savings. We have the instant savings on Scott right now. When you spend $15, you're going to instantly save 3 at the register. Scott 12 packs are on sale this week for $4.75. That means you can pick up 4 packs and you're going to pay $16, which would be fantastic to throw in with the 5 off $25 deal. Up next, we have the 5 off 15 DG store coupon on the all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products. We do have digital coupons and cashback offers that will work with this coupon. And we also have bonus points right now on Fetch Rewards. And Fetch Rewards is on fire right now with the deals. We also have this little Go-Gurt deal. You're paying $4.50 for 2 after the digital coupon, but then you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. You're going to get 90 cents back. Plus, we also have this little deal right here for when you purchase 3 General Mills products, you're going to get 75 cents. We also still have this DG store coupon on the Pepsi and Lay's products. It's a 3 off 2, and there are tons of sales that will go right along with this coupon this week. Here we have the Lay's chips. We do have bonus points on Fetch Rewards for Lay's potato chips. We also have a sale on the 6 packs of Mountain Dew and the 8 packs of Bubbly. And right now on Fetch Rewards, we do have bonus points on the Bubbly 8 packs, the Starry products, and also the Lipton teas. So you guys don't forget about those deals. There are tons of different ways that y'all can mix and match. But don't forget to scan your receipts into Fetch Rewards. If you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a few extra bonus points. Now, let's go ahead and jump into our 5 off $25 scenarios. We're going to kick this off with a gain scenario since we still have our 5 off 20 DG store coupon. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50, one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. You can choose from the flings, the fireworks, the fabric sheets, or the dryer sheets. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Gain scented Febreze air effects at $3.25 each, one of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners at $4, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, and one American greeting card at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $25 right on the dot. And here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, that is going to leave you paying $4.20 for 7 items, making each one just 60 cents each. And y'all don't forget to scan every single Gain product and make sure that DG store coupon 5 off 20 shows up underneath every single item. Alright, now up next, I've put together a couple of scenarios using this 5 off 15 DG store coupon on the all Snuggle, Purex, and Persil products, and I'm really excited about these. So for this first one, you want to pick up one of the Purex 150-ounce liquid laundry detergents at $10, one of the Purex 21-count packs at $4, and 2 40-count Snuggle dryer sheets at $2 each. One of the Bounty Essential 6-count at $5.60, 3 of the Old Spice deodorants at $1.10 each, and 1 American greeting card for 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.40. And here's a list of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And that's going to leave you paying $8.90 out of pocket for 9 items, which is a great deal. But this deal gets even better because then we're going to get back $2 in DG cash on the large Purex, $1 in DG cash on the Purex packs, and $4 back on the Bounty paper towels. And before anybody says anything, yes, the Bounty is still available to clip And if you ran out and did the run deal the other night whenever I posted that video, it should have reset and be back on your account available to clip. So check your accounts and make sure that you have that $4 cashback offer clipped on the bounty. Then we are going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. We're going to get $2 back on the Purex products. And then we are also going to get back $1.50 for picking up 2 Snuggle products. And that is going to make our final price completely free plus a $1.60 moneymaker. And we all love to make money when we are shopping. So, speaking of money makers, if y'all haven't checked out my videos from this week, you need to go back and check them out. We have had a week completely jam-packed, full of deals, full of glitches, full of new coupons, stop, drop, and run deals. We have crazy clearance going on at Walgreens, Walmart. We have 90% off clearance markdowns at places. It's just crazy. So if you think you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also, one more quick reminder, I have been posting a lot over on the community tab and also YouTube Shorts. So if you've missed out on anything, just click on my name right down below this video and that's going to take you to my home page and then you can navigate from there. Now, jumping back into our 525s, here's another way that y'all can do the Purex and the Snuggle deal. Pick up one of the Purex 150-ounce liquid laundry detergents at $10, one of the Snuggle liquid fabric softeners at $3.75, one of the Snuggle 40-count dryer sheets at $2, one of the Bounty Essential 6-count at $5.60, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, one Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and one of the Revlon Kiss Bombs for $4.25. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.10. And here's a look at the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And after all coupons have been applied, that is going to leave you paying $11.10 out of pocket for 9 items. But we all know that this deal does get even better because you're going to receive back $2 in DG Cash on the Purex, $4 in DG Cash on the Bounty, and $4 in DG Cash on the Revlon Lip Balm. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards, get $2 back on the Purex, and $1.50 for picking up 2 Snuggle products, and that is going to make your final price completely free plus a $2.40 moneymaker. Now, those are all fantastic deals that I do plan on taking advantage of on Saturday, but if you guys don't do anything else, run out and do this deal right here. All you have to do is pick up 5 of the Revlon Lip Balms. They are fantastic at $4.25 each, and one of the Bounty Essential 6-count at $5.60. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.85. You're only going to use 2 coupons, and after that's been applied, you are going to pay $18.85 out of pocket, but then you're going to get back $20 in DG Cash on the Revlon and $4 in DG Cash back on the Bounty. That is going to make your final price completely free plus a $5.15 moneymaker. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you check out the pinned comment. I'm going to leave some additional notes for you all down there. And of course, make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And y'all, I am so excited for this Saturday. I hope that you guys are too. Alright, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.